Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, wherever you're tuning in from. Thank you for coming online. Thank you for tuning into our presentation today. My name is Uncle Clint. I'm with the Pro Traders Academy. I'm here to share with you a very short video, a very informative video about forex trading. This video, I'm going to title it "The Reasons Why Candlestick Pattern is Useless." Yes, the reason why forex candlestick patterns is useless. It doesn't work, it doesn't help you, it doesn't produce any excellent result for you as a trader. I'm going to show you that because I just made an observation from a trade that I'm running this morning, and I just woke up and realized that okay, my trades seem to be looking different from what I have on my trading view. All right, now we hear a lot of people who come up with the conspiracy theory that brokers manipulate their trades and all that. The truth is that if you're a swing trader, you can care less about what the brokers do with their manipulation. You can care less about what their spread is because swing trading covers for all of that. All right, swing trading covers for all of that. I'm a swing trader. I'm a pro trader academy mentor. We teach forex at Pro Traders Academy, and we've helped a lot of people figure out how to do this thing the right way. So come with me and let me show you more. And by the way, if you want to know more about what we do, go to our website www.protradersacademy.com to learn more about what we do. Let me show you exactly what I mean. All right, let me go straight to my trades. Remember, we do our analysis on trading view. Trading view. Okay, guys. Now look at this. This is a trade that I've been running since 3 days now, right? It's AUD card. The currency pair is AUD card, as you can see here. I'm on the 4-hour time frame. Now, looking at this 4-hour time frame, my analysis says that this trade is supposed to come from here and get here. Look at this. You can see the positioning to indicator shows that I wanted to move from here up to this place, and then the trade have done just that. I moved from here down to this point. Right, it has actually hit my take profit, but I have a feeling that it's still gonna go down. Okay, it's still gonna go down. So I'm not closing the trade yet. It's still gonna go down. This is very early in the morning here in Nigeria. This is 5 a.m. So I want to leave this trade and keep watching it. But then there's an observation I just made, and I felt I should share this video with you guys. For those of you that really want to learn how to trade, I always tell people swing trading is the best way to go, especially if you're busy and you're doing some other things in your life. Swing trading is the way to go. Now let me show you what I observed. Okay, for those of you that trade the candlestick patterns and all that, you look at all these candles and you try to interpret what it means. You know, you say whether it's a bullish engulfing, pin bar, blah blah blah, all the stuff, all those jargon. Every time I teach my students, I tell them, look, I don't need you to cram all those nonsense, because it's not really where the money is, right? If you know swing trading, if you have a working perfect strategy in swing trading, you're good to go. The most important thing you need is money management, guys. Money management skills more important than any strategy ever. So it's not about knowing all the candlestick patterns, because the candlesticks are never the same. From broker to broker, they're never the same. This AUD card, I'm going to show you what I am observing on the different brokers that are existing on this platform. This is TradingView, as you all know. So let's check this out. Now I have a list. This is my watch list on the right hand side here. My watch list. You can see all of the bling blings going on here. That's exchanges going on different currency pairs. So you have AUD card here, AUD card 1, AUD card 2, AUD card 3. Now why do I have different AUD cards? Because they are from different brokers that are enlisted on the on the TradingView platform. So you can check this out. This is Owanda. Owanda is one of the biggest brokers around the world. It exists in America. They give you a leverage of 1:50. And then this is from FXCM. FXCM is also a big broker, but they no longer exist in America. This is AUD card under forex.com. This is also AUD card under what's the name of these guys now? IDC. IDC. I don't know which of the brokers that, but then check this out. Three of them actually. Now look at this is forming one. I'm presently under the AUD card of Owanda. Owanda is showing me a very strong bearish candle. The last candle for me here is a very strong bearish candle, still going down. Okay, so let's check out what we have on AUD card under FXCM. And afterwards, I'm going to show you on my broker as well. Now, FXCM seem to be having the same candle forming, the same candles just forming, a very strong full-bodied bearish candle. So let's check out these other guys. Um, uh, okay. These guys are forest.com, forest.com under AUD card. Okay, they have a full bearish candle. Actually, they have three of them. I can see, or about four of them. One, two, three. Remember, they're all on the 4 hour time frame. Let me start over again. I go back to the top. You're gonna see this one has one, two, three strong uh bearish candle. Okay, I go down again to FXCM. You have about how many of them? One, two, three. So it means FXCM and one that seems to be showing me the same thing. I will assume that okay, they're both operating from the same server. And then when you go down to this guy's called forex.com, you find out that you have one, two, three, four. Okay, it means the fourth candle is forming. Will I assume that these guys, their server is ahead of the other brokers? I don't know. I can say that, but the truth is that the candles would not always be the same from broker to broker. So for those of you that want to trade candlestick patterns and tell me that the candlestick, when you see this, you expect that. When you see this, you expect a buy. When you see this, you expect a sell. I really don't believe that. Honestly, it doesn't work as perfectly as people think or believe it should. I'd rather have you trade things like price action, trade things like geometry. These are the things we teach. Trade things like trend channel. These are things we teach at Pro Traders Academy. Those things are more stronger in confirmation of where the market is headed, not candlestick patterns. All right. Now you have AUD card under the last broker here. Let's check them out. We also have how many candles here? One, two, three, and of course, this one seems to be forming strong bearish candles, and then I can see wicks. I can see wicks here. Unlike the other brokers we'll be looking at, there've not been much wicks. Okay. Now let me go show you my own broker. Let me go show you my own broker, which is a broker that is available for us here in Nigeria. They have a physical presence here, so we trade with them. Okay. Now let me show you the reason why I found it very suspicious that there's a little bit of manipulation going on in these brokerage firms. But I don't care. I don't care because why? My trades will still deliver however it goes because I'm a swing trader. I know how my trade's gonna run. I know where the market is going, and I try to position myself well. It doesn't matter what they do overnight because I leave trades overnight. It doesn't matter what they do over the weekend. I leave trades over the weekend. My trade's still gonna go where it's gonna go. Okay. So let's go check my live trade account. This is a broker called FXCM. As you guys can see, FXTM. All right, and this is an account. A very little amount is in the account. I just left it to run, to just play around a little bit. I just put about $10. It's about $10 a couple of days ago, and today the money is about $33. All right, this account is less than 1 week old. Now I don't do this often, and I don't promote this. I don't encourage people to do aggressive trading. I don't encourage that you should be chasing $100 or 100% of your money in a week or in a month. No, swing traders don't do that. It's very risky. It's not advisable. It's a very unprofessional. But I do this on small accounts. Sometimes I take $50 account, I take it to $100, $150, $300, and so on. Just small amounts. The real capital that I trade with, I don't do that kind of aggressive trading. And we don't advise that on Pro Traders Academy. We teach you this patience, and we teach you how to trade professionally by taking a huge capital and trading 10% or 20% of that a month. All right, or hear that again. You take very huge amount of capital and you try to trade 10% of that amount. Let's say you have 10 million naira or $10,000. You trade 10% of that. I mean, you're good for the month. You're good for the month. So, but when I have small capitals, I try to play around this sometimes. Now, this is a $10 account, like I said, but I've been able to take it to $33 in a couple of days. I can show you the account history. Look at the account history here, and let me show you when I loaded this money. So I have about what do we have here? Let's see, account history. Let me put this up. Okay, as you can see here, these have been profit have been coming from this money. I really don't know where this minus 16 is coming from. Could it be their spread and all that? Okay, no, this is as December. last year 2018. This is 2018. So this deposit of a couple of deposit $3, $4, and so on were all made into this account, and over time it has generated $5, about $6 profit, about $4 profit. That's about 10 altogether. So where you put that together, you see that this current balance is $23, but their equity is $33 because I'm already running a profit of $10 on the three trades that I have open on AUD card. But that's not what I want to show you guys. What I want to show you actually is the candles we're still discussing. Remember, I showed you the candles from my platform where I do my analysis. Now check these guys out. How many candles you have here? 1, 2, 3. And notice that the third one here seems to have those wicks up and down, up and down. Now the only broker that seems to have this kind of display on their chart is this forextime.com, I think. No, not forextime. Let me check them out again. This is IDC. IDC is a broker as well. Now check this out. This is also 1, 2, 3. So will I assume that my brokers are the ones with the right candles? I don't know. I can say that, and I cannot suggest that you trade this style of candlestick pattern, whatever. Okay, because the truth is that from broker to broker, these candlesticks vary, and the truth is that it's not the candlestick that determines where the market goes. We have the big players, the big banks. Okay, the UBS banks, the JP Morgans, the Lehman Brothers, and all those big shots who moved the market to where they wanted to go. And of course, you have the aspect of the economy of the countries. Like here, we have Australian dollars versus Canadian dollars. So anything can happen in Australia and then or Canada, which affect how this currency is going to respond. That's the fundamental aspect of this trading. The technical part, guys, should go beyond candlesticks because candlesticks don't work. It doesn't give you any absolute or proper information. Professional traders don't trade candlesticks, guys. Stop deceiving yourself. All those education was given to you by the brokers, and those brokers are only deceiving you. They don't want you to make money because they make money when you lose. They make more money when you lose because the money you make, they pay you from their pocket, but when you lose, the money goes into their pocket. So whatever education you'll be getting for the brokers is not sufficient. It's not going to make you profitable. It's not going to take you to the point where you're making good money from this trade. And worst of all is those that rely on signals. The guy that is giving signals don't even know the kind of trader he is, where he learned his trading, and what purpose is behind his signals. Some of them are giving you trades that's going to make you lose so that they gain when you lose. So guys, be wise, learn from the right source, get in touch with Pro Traders Academy, and get the right training you need for your Forex education. My name is Clinton once again. I'm glad to have shared this opportunity with you. I'm glad they've learned one or two things, and I hope to see you in my next video. Remember to check us out on YouTube, check us out on Facebook, check us out on our website. Our name is still remain Pro Traders Academy. Now guys, one more thing before I go, check this candle how it's moving up and down, pushing up and down. That's exactly what the market is trying to do. It's trying to push down anyways. I believe it's still going to come down because from my analysis, which you guys can see on my first chart, it's still going down. Like I said, I'm not going to touch it. My trades are running on profit already. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to just watch what's going to happen through the day. Today is Thursday. I expect the market to still push down a little bit, and by Friday it's going to do a little bit of reversal. So I still stand to make a lot of money from this trade. Thank you guys for tuning in, and God bless you. My name is Clinton once again, Pro Traders Academy. Cheers and have a wonderful